Oh, sorry. Hey, I was just reading this. This book is absolutely fascinating, right? George Orwell, 1984. If you haven't read it, okay. Talking about absolutely fascinating, right? That's an extreme adjective. Okay. Today's lesson, we're going to look at what are extreme adjectives, right? Why is it that I can say that this book is absolutely fascinating, but I can't say it's very fascinating? That just does not sound right. Okay, so we're going to look at gradable adjectives and extreme adjectives. Right, we're going to look at some examples, and we're going to do a little exercise together. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I'm Pete Posner at Big Break English. I'm an English teacher from the UK. Let's get on with the lesson. Okay, students, so we're looking at gradable and extreme adjectives. Just take a few seconds to describe how do you think this girl is feeling. Okay, just take a few seconds to think about this. Okay, so you could say she is very happy, all right? Or you might even say she's absolutely delighted, all right? Absolutely delighted. Okay, so, but, right, we wouldn't say she's very delighted. That just does not sound right. Okay, let me explain why. Okay, so the thing is that happy is gradable, but delighted is extreme. Okay, so take a look at this. We can say that a person is quite happy. There are different degrees of this adjective. Quite happy, very happy, right? Now, the extreme adjective is delighted, right? So then we have to use a different type of adverb. So we can't say very delighted. We can say absolutely delighted, right? In the same way, we can't say absolutely happy. That just does not sound right. Okay, so some adverbs go with gradable adjectives and some adverbs go with extreme adjectives. Let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so here we have gradable, right? So we have the adverbs. Okay, why don't you repeat them after me for pronunciation? Because we're going to do a little exercise, right, where you practice this. Okay, so repeat after me. So adverbs, we've got a little or a bit. These are all gradable adverbs. Quite, very, really, extremely, right? And gradable adjectives, happy, wet, angry, nice, right? Then extreme, we have adverbs, absolutely, totally, completely, really, okay? And adjectives, delighted, soaked, furious, and delicious. Okay, students, so let's do a little practice, right? Here we have pictures, okay? So this is the first one. And we have a phrase, okay? And we're going to describe the picture, okay? And we're going to see if we can describe it in different ways, okay? So using the adjective nice, which is a gradable adjective, and the adjective delicious, which is an extreme adjective, okay? And then also with an adverb, okay? So choose an adverb, the right adverb for each one, okay? All right, so we're going to do this for each picture, okay? And each time, just pause the video, take a few seconds to try yourself, and then we'll check together. Okay, so do the first one, a few seconds, starting now. Okay, so let's check together. Okay, so we could say that cake is very nice, right? Or we could say it's quite nice, right? So those are with the gradable adjective nice, right? Or we could say it's absolutely delicious. All right. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, take a look at this picture now. Okay, how many alternatives can you think of? All right, pause the video, take a few seconds. Okay, so together, that man is quite angry. Yeah, or that man is very angry, or that man is really angry, or that man is absolutely furious. Okay, those are just some alternatives. Okay, on with the next one. Okay, students, last one. Okay, look at this picture. All right, take a few seconds, pause the video. How many alternatives can you think of? Okay, let's check. So, she got a little wet, or she got quite wet, or she got very wet, or she got she got completely soaked. All right, just a few alternatives. Students, I have a little task for you now. So, I want you to write in the comments some other extreme adjectives. So far, we saw, let's see if we can remember them. All right, so we had fascinating, soaked, delicious, um, delighted, and one more. No, I've forgotten it. Doesn't matter. Those are just some of the extreme adjectives that we saw today. Can you think of some more and write them in the comments? Okay. And if you're interested in taking online one-to-one classes with me, I'm going to leave a link for a trial lesson that you could take in the description of this video. Okay, finally, if you enjoyed the video, please share it, please like it, and I'm looking forward to the next one. Okay, bye-bye.